Today we're going to be talking about the book Scrum by Chris Sims and Hilary Louise Johnson. This book describes how to use this Scrum framework to manage tasks and teams and complete complex projects. This video will outline the key points in just a few minutes. Scrum is based on the principles of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. It's often used in software development, but it can be applied to any type of project. The core concept of Scrum is the Scrum team, which is a cross-functional group of people who work together to complete the project. The team consists of an owner who determines the priority of tasks and items on the team's backlog. Next is the Scrum Master, who is responsible for ensuring that the team follows the Scrum process. They are a coach, assisting the team in reaching high cohesion and efficiency. The final part is the development team members, who are responsible for delivering possibly shippable content in each Scrum session. The Scrum process is based on a series of short iterative cycles called sprints. During each sprint, the team works to complete a specific set of tasks, known as the sprint backlog. At the end of each sprint, the team reviews the work that has been completed and adjusts their plans for the next sprint based on what they've learned. In addition to each sprint session, Scrum relies on regular meetings to keep track of progress and make top-level decisions about what to do next. A weekly meeting of 1 to 2 hours should focus on what will be done in the next week and how it will be done. The team collaborates with the product owner during this 1-hour meeting to discuss the backlog and the best practices for moving forwards. In addition to this longer meeting, there should be a daily short meeting where the whole team inspects the previous sprint and alters their plan for the next one based on both self and peer feedback. The goal for this retrospective is to identify 1 or 2 strategic modifications that can be implemented in the next sprint. This is especially important if an issue leads to a complete halt in the sprint. It is crucial to reflect so the team members gain experience from this setback. Either monthly or only at the end of the project, a review is held with clients or other stakeholders to review and showcase the project progress. One of the key elements of Scrum is the idea of splitting. How to split the Scrum team and tasks is a constant consideration. Each Scrum team is responsible solely for its own part of the overall project. The meetings are when any issues putting the parts together are addressed for the next sprint. This is the philosophy of inspect and adapt. When splitting people into teams, remember that with too few members, a team may not be able to complete its assigned task. However, with too many members, a team may spend too much time communicating and in deadlock over individual decisions. Therefore, splitting and resplitting the workforce into smaller Scrum teams is often necessary. Scrum emphasizes flexibility and continuous improvement. It encourages the team to regularly assess and adjust their approach to ensure that they are meeting their goals and delivering value to their customers. If you take this practice into your own life, or with your own team, you'll find that you'll make faster gains in your projects with less conflict and wasted time.
MA